Well, one of my daughters said that I have a brake light out. I don't know which one it is, so I'm going to put the camera on the stand. I'm going to verify not just the brake lights, but the running lights, the blinkers, and reverse. So let's get that done. So it would appear that my daughter was correct. That brake light is out, so I need to get a bulb in there. Alright, so the video showed that it was this tail light that was out. That happens to be a dual bulb. Let me go ahead and get that thing pulled. Incidentally, 10 millimeters, I'm going to use this. It's a hex. It's got a Phillips in there, but it's also a hex. Okay, the next part, you've got a couple of little plastic pieces back here that stick into some rubber grommets. I'm just going to use a little piece of wood to kind of pry it loose. Okay, pops it loose. Okay, this is the bulb here, so that's going to be this one. Just a little counterclockwise turn, pops it out. Push down, turn, pops this out. It is an 1157, and I earlier researched it and decided to do an 1157 LED. That would be that guy right there, so let's get that in. This thing is directional. It's got two fats and a skinny, so it'll only go in one way. Okay, gets that back in place. So we line the plastic pieces, that one and that one, and then just a simple press, they go back in. Now I got the 10 millimeter screws. Just get them started. Not too tight, it's made out of plastic, you don't want to crack it. Okay, that's that. Let's see if it works. Okay, well that should have worked, and of course I'm going to do the other side. The burned out on this side is probably close to burning out on the other side as well, so it's a piece of cake.